I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by installing the Product Reviews app and granting access so it can read products and write review content. Once installed, go to the app dashboard to connect it to your product catalog. This lets the app inject review widgets automatically. Make sure to enable bulk permissions so import and export work without interruptions. After connecting, test on one product page to confirm the widget appears and that you can submit a draft review. Once the widget is visible, configure how reviews display across product pages and collection templates. You'll map review fields like rating, title, and body to ensure consistency with SKU and variant logic. Then, adjust layout options and mobile visibility so ratings don't break responsive design. This prevents overflow and slow rendering. Also, connect moderation rules and automated email prompts so reviews populate reliably. Test different templates and verify that aggregated ratings update correctly after each accepted review. Now complete setup by configuring moderation, import existing feedback, and enable rich snippets for SEO. You'll establish auto-approval rules for trusted reviewers and a manual queue for new contributors. This balances efficiency and quality. Import a CSV to seed historical reviews and use dedupe tools to reconcile duplicates. Finally, watch analytics for review velocity and conversion impact, and tweak email reminders.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.